African American Hugh M. Browne saw a problem in the world of writing. People used pens that leaked and did not work well on paper. He believed that even a small change in design could make a big difference in the lives of students and writers. In this story, you will hear about his early life and the challenges he faced. You will learn how he experimented with different ideas in his workshop and solved problems with persistence and creativity. Hugh Browne was born on April 15, 1865. He grew up in a small town where life was simple and hard work was a part of everyday living. His family lived in modest homes and they cherished every bit of knowledge they could find. From a young age, he showed great curiosity about the world. He would spend many hours reading old books and exploring the outdoors. Even though life was challenging for many people in his town, he learned the importance of education and perseverance. In his early school days, he was fascinated by science and art. His teachers noticed his talent and his willingness to ask questions. They encouraged him to dream big and to believe in his ideas. Hugh Browne listened to the stories of great inventors and leaders. He was inspired by the way these heroes changed the world with their determination. At home, he helped his parents with chores and learned the value of hard work. He also listened carefully to the stories of his elders who spoke about times when opportunities were rare. In those days, many people did not have the chance to study or to invent things. His heart was filled with hope and his mind was full of dreams. As he grew older, he realized that every challenge was a chance to learn something new. His early life was a time of discovery and passion for learning. It set the stage for a future filled with creativity and innovation. He understood that one small idea could change the world, and his journey had only just begun. One day, Hugh Browne looked at the fountain pens that people used to write. He noticed that many pens leaked and did not deliver ink smoothly on paper. This made writing a frustrating task for many students and workers. He felt that there must be a better way to design a pen that was reliable and easy to use. In his small workshop, he began to experiment with different ideas. He gathered materials such as metal and plastic and studied how ink flowed from one part of a pen to another. He built small models of pens and tested each one carefully. When a pen leaked, he did not give up. He took note of every mistake and thought of new solutions to fix the problems. Hugh Browne paid close attention to the shape of the nib, which is the tip of the pen that touches the paper. He tried new designs that would allow ink to flow evenly without interruption. He also considered the way the pen held ink in its chamber so that it could last for a long time. The process was not easy and it took many days of trial and error. In his workshop, the air was filled with the sound of scribbling on paper and the excitement of discovery. Each small success encouraged him to try even harder. He wrote down his ideas in notebooks and shared them with a few trusted friends. They saw that his invention was not only clever but also full of potential to change the way people wrote. His improved fountain pen design solved many common problems and made writing a smoother and more enjoyable experience for everyone. His journey was a clear example of how creativity can lead to great inventions. Hugh Browne felt the pulse of his community and used it as a source of strength. His work was a part of a larger movement to improve everyday life. The world around him was vibrant with ideas and full of potential. His improved fountain pen was one of many sparks that lit the fire of innovation. This story reminds us that even in times of difficulty, the human spirit can shine bright through creativity and hard work. Every day, the story of Hugh Browne continues to inspire new inventors and curious minds. His life reminds us that with passion and persistence, we can solve problems and change the world for the better. His journey is a beacon of hope for everyone. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.